Are you ready for the next big thing from OnePlus? Well, it's actually small. Introducing the OnePlus 13T, possibly the most compact flagship killer of 2025. In this video, we'll break down its leak specs, design, features, and expected launch timeline. Let's dive right in. First off, the design. The OnePlus 13T is expected to come with a sleek, minimalist design, almost identical to the OnePlus 13S, but with a smaller footprint. 6.31-inch 1.5K OLED flat display, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-thin bezels, and a punch-hole selfie camera, premium glass back with aluminum frame. It's built for those who want flagship power in a more pocket-friendly size. Under the hood, this device is packed with serious power. Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same beast seen in flagship phones. Up to 16 gigabytes of RAM with blazing fast UFS 4.0 storage. And guess what? Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on battery life. 6,000 to 6,200 milliamp hours battery, massive for a compact phone.
80W SUPERVOOC fast charging. You'll be back to 100% in no time. When it comes to cameras, OnePlus isn't holding back. Dual 50MP cameras on the back, primary wide sensor plus telephoto, Hasselblad optimization likely for color tuning, a solid 16MP selfie shooter for crisp selfies and video calls. Expect excellent shots, both day and night, plus 4K video recording, of course. On the software side, it's launching with OxygenOS 15, based on Android 15. New AI-powered features like Smart Reply, photo eraser, and adaptive battery management. In-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Likely no wireless charging, but at this price, it's forgivable. The OnePlus 13T is expected to launch around April to May 2025 in China and India, with a global launch soon after. So, what do you think? Could the OnePlus 13T be the compact flagship we've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates.